Welcome. If you want to make sure only specific people you add can open a file in Google Drive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to restrict access so only chosen users can view or edit your file, keeping your information private and secure. First, open Google Drive and find the file you want to protect. Once you've located it, look for the three dots next to the file name. Tap those dots to open the Options menu. From the menu, select Manage Access. This is where you control exactly who can see or change your file. Next, look for the section labeled General Access. Tap on it, then choose the Change option. Here, you'll see different sharing settings. To make sure only people you add can open your file, select Restricted. This setting means that only users you specifically invite will have access. Anyone else, even if they have the link, won't be able to open the file. Now, you can add the email addresses of the people you want to allow. Simply type in their emails, set their permissions like viewer, commenter, or editor, and send the invitation. Only these people will be able to access the file from now on. Let's quickly recap the steps. Open Google Drive and find your file. Tap the three dots next to the file. Select Manage Access. Tap on General Access and choose Change. Select Restricted. Add the people you want to allow and set their permissions. That's all it takes to keep your Google Drive file private and secure, ensuring only the right people have access. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow for more quick tech tips.